Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths Tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Hi friends, today's topic is Class 8 Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaters Exercise 3.161. Find the angle measures in the following figures. This is the figure. You have to find the value of x in this. These two are equal. Now, the sum of angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. This is a polygon. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180. Because n minus 2, we are substituting the value of n here. That is 5 minus 2 into 180. Angle A is 30 degrees plus BX. C is equal to, they didn't give the value of C here, but the angle on a straight line is 180. So this part is 70. The remaining part is equal to 180 minus 70. So 180 minus 70 plus in the same way angle D. The angle on a straight line is 180. This part is 60 and this part is 180 minus 60 plus angle E is equal to X is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 into 180 degrees. So 30 plus x plus 180 minus 70, 110 plus 180 minus 60, 120 plus x is equal to 540. 18 3s are 54 here. So x plus x, 2x plus 60 plus 110 plus 120, 260 is equal to 540. 2x is equal to 540 minus 260. That is 280. X is equal to 80 by 2. That is equal to 140 degrees. Now come to the second one. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. And all the sides are equal. And all the angles are equal. Because the sides are equal, then angles also equal. So this type of polygon is called a regular polygon. Sum of the angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180 is 540. So here all the angles are equal. We have to find the value of x. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540. 5x is 540. X is equal to 540 by 5. That is equal to 108 degrees. Now come to the seventh one. This is the diagram they given. We have to find the value of x, y, z. These are exterior angles, outside angles. So ABC is a triangle. Angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A is 90, B is equal to 30, and C they didn't give. You have to find the value of C first. So 90 plus 30 is 120 plus C is 180. C is equal to 180 minus 120, 60. Now we know that angle on a straight line is 180. At the point A, see point A, 90 plus x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90. At the point B, come to the point B, 30 plus z is equal to 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 30, that is equal to 150 degrees. At the point C, come to the point C. Now we found out the value of C, that is equal to 60. So 60 plus y is equal to 120, 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. Angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 90 plus 120 plus 150 is equal to 360 degrees. Come to the next one. This is the diagram they given. Find x plus y plus z. We have to find the values of x and y and z. See here, these are all exterior angles, x, y, z and w. This is total is 180. So if you subtract, we will get the value of z. The total is 180. If you subtract this, then we will get y. The total is 180. So 180 minus 120 is x. But here to subtract anyone not there. So first we have to find the value of b. How? The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. By using that formula, I have to find the value of b here. We know that the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Angle A plus B plus C plus D is 360. 60 plus B plus 120 plus 8 is equal to 360. 260 plus angle B is equal to 360. Angle B is equal to 360 minus 260. That is 100 degrees. The angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. At the point A, 60 plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Z is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. At the point B, 100 plus W is equal to 180. W is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80. At the point C, 120 plus X is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60. At the point D, 80 plus Y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100. Now X plus Y plus Z is equal to 60 plus 100 plus 120 plus 80, that is equal to 360. That is our answer. From these two problems, we can understand that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360.